Now we are going to perform an experiment of another category of centrifugal governor, that is spring controlled governor. And under this category we are going to study a specific type of governor, that is Hartnell governor. So Hartnell governor is a spring controlled governor in which spring controls the movement of the ball and hence the sleeve. See, so basically it consists of a frame which you can see. This is the frame, or you can also call it as casing. And in this frame there will be a pre-compressed helical spring will be used. This spring will be mounted on the spindle. So that spindle you can see, and it will be mounted on this like this. So this is collar. Now we are mounting the spring. So spring applies a downward force on the sleeve through the adjustable collar. The spring force can be adjusted by the nut provided. Now this is what we are tightening. So it is up to a user that how much speed or how much compression we required. So compression will be in our hand. So for obtaining the different equilibrium speed, we can give different pre-compression to the helical spring. So these are the bell crank lever. So bell crank levers, and the fly balls are attached to the bell crank lever. Now you can see this is how the assembly takes place for the Hartnell governor. The sleeve moves up and down depending on the governor speed, and when the speed of the governor or engine increases, the ball started flying radially outwards from the spindle axis. So we have turned on the experimental setup now, and let us just start taking the readings. The main advantage of this Hartnell governor is it can be operated at the higher range of speed as compared to the Porter and Proel governor.